Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about the problem letter case permutation from the LeetCode. So the problem states that we are given a string and we can transfer every letter character to be lowercase or uppercase to create another string and return a list of all the possible strings we could create. You could return the output in any order. So basically it says that we are given is input string. So input string consists of a letters and digits. So and we need to all the letters we need to make it either in lowercase or in uppercase and generate all the possible permutation for the given string. So in the example number 1 we have a1 b2. So a can have two options, like it can be in the lowercase a or it can be in the uppercase. These are the upper cases, and similarly for the b it can be in the lower case or it can be in the uppercase. So in the first string we keep everything in the lower case. A and b both are in lower. Second is like a is in the lower and b is in upper, and similarly for third is a upper and b is lower, and for fourth both of them are in uppercase. So in this string there are two letters, basically a and b. So the answers will we have total four different possible permutation for the given string. So it can, like, if the string has more number of letters, then we need to calculate the all the possible permutation for the given string. So to solve this problem I have an approach. So basically what we have here is that we can analyze this problem in terms of a tree. So what we have, initially we are given a string, and for each letter, whenever we identify there is a letter, so what we will do, we have two options, either to keep it in the lower or keep it in the upper case. Similarly, we will be keep traversing this string and check if we get another character which is b here. So b is basically letter, so in this case also we have two options to keep it in the small and upper case, and similarly for b here as well. So in this way we will keep iterating till the length of the string, and once we reaches the end, so whatever at the given time, whatever string we have is a part of a solution. So in terms of tree, like from the root we reaches to the leaf node, and the leaves will be the part of our answer. Okay, so this is basically the approach to solve the problem. So I have a code ready. So here what I have, like two different ways to solve this problem using DFS and BFS. So in the DFS, what basically I'm doing, so I'm passing a character array, and the output array which is my answer, and the current index which is as 0. So what I'm doing basically here is, basically I'm checking if I reach the leaf of the tree. This is the condition where I have reached the leaf of the tree. If I have reached the leaf of the tree, so whatever the string I have, is the part of my answer. Okay, else what I'm doing, I'm checking whether the character is a letter or not. If the character is letter, so we have two options, like one to keep it in the lower case, and second is to keep in the upper case. And parallelly, so it's a DFS approach, so we'll be going moving to the end, means reaching to the leaf, and from the leaf we'll be traversing back. So this is the approach where we go and traverse back. So it's a backtracking. And if the character is not a letter, means it's a digit, we simply bypass that given character, so which means it's a digit. So this is the condition for that. So this is the BFS approach, and for the DFS, sorry, this is the DFS approach, and for the BFS we have I have used a queue here. So in the queue, what I am doing, basically initially I push the original string, and what I'm doing here, I'm just iterating a loop on all the characters of the given string, like a1 b2. And here what I'm checking, if the character, if at the given index, if the character is a letter. So if a letter, what I'm doing, basically I'm just running a one more condition here. Basically I'm popping all the elements from the queue, whatever the strings which we have, I'm just removing them and creating the lowercase and uppercase for that given index, and again pushing it back to the queue. So in this way, once we reaches the leaf, we will have all the leaves nodes present in the queue. So what I'm basically doing, I'm basically returning the answer, whatever the answer we have in the queue, I'm returning it back to the caller, which is in the main method. Okay, so if I go and run this, Yeah, so you can see we have the same output generated using both the BFS and the DFS approach. Yeah, so that's pretty much about this, how we can solve this problem. And yeah, thank you.